What's up, Doug at Eden Lawn Services? Trying to get some chains sharpened up. Had some shrub removals earlier this year, hit some rocks and just thrashed my chains. And we're going into wood cutting season for my house. I cut wood too, so we're trying to sharpen her up, get her knocked in shape. This one's almost done, but I thought I'd kind of show you the process. And yeah, I hand file everything. And yeah, well, it is what it is. Get that little burr right there. That's when you know you're getting close. Right there, that little tiny burr sticking out. There she goes. Let's finish her off. Razor sharp. So anyways, guys, yeah, I'm just trying to get the saws ready for wood cutting, and man, I'm telling you, these things got thrashed due to those stupid rocks and those shrubs. That was my bad. I ended up using the Sawzall on most of it after I thrashed my chain. So we've got a couple chains. This is the first chain. I think this is the, I can't remember. Let's see which one this is. I think this is the, I think this is the organ chain that's on it. That's the Stihl chain there. So let me see, which teeth are we on this one? So anyhow, this is the little MS 170. It's just a little 16-inch bar, and it's nothing fancy. You know, it's under $200 for the saw. It's just a residential saw. And you know how many cord of wood I've cut with this thing in 2 years? A lot. There we go. This one's hammered. Look at that thing. Oh my gosh. Burrs on there. Knock that burr off and finish her up. So we're having to do a lot of extra work, guys, just because, you know, we devastated this chain. We totally ruined it. And don't do that, because then you have to spend hours filing to get them back. I could bring it down to the saw shop and have them sharpen it, you know, to knock it back into shape, but what the heck, I got time and I got a file, right? Not to mention, I enjoy this. So let's get this finished off, and then we'll go outside and grab a log and we'll see how she cuts. So let me do this and we'll be back. Well, it's not perfect yet, guys, and this is a hardwood. I think this was a maple, but it is well cured. And we're getting some decent chips out of it. It's not total sawdust. And The chain from where it was to where it is now is 100 times better. So we'll keep working on it, but at least we know we can cut wood with it. And I'm going to go put the other chain on here and do the same exact thing. More filing. Okay, we got the other chain all sharpened up. Let's see how it does. Like I said, both these chains, guys, are just hammered. But, you know, we're going to do what we can with them. So it looks about the same. Like I said, we're in hardwood, so you know we're not going to get big old curls out of it, especially it's dry. This stuff is dead dry. You can see it's all, oops, it's all split. So I guess we'll go cut some cordwood and bring the files with us so we can touch them up and keep working on them and getting them in shape. And probably just about the time we get them knocked back into shape, they'll be worn out and we'll go buy new chains. We'll see you later, guys.